We love our bedroom, but the dark gray carpet was starting to look a little worn and actually made the room look smaller than it was. Time for some new wide plank flooring from Malibu. We started by emptying the room. Wall art, chairs, nightstands and lamps, and finally mattress and bed frame. Carefully, we removed all of the baseboards and made sure to mark them on the back so we knew their order for reinstallation. Once all the baseboards were out, it was time for that gray carpet to go. When installing vinyl plank flooring, prepping the floor is very important, especially after removing carpet. Be sure to pull up any remaining staples or tacks from the floor and make sure that the subfloor is smooth, level, and free of any dirt and debris that got left behind. I was beyond excited when the delivery truck brought the new Malibu Click Lock luxury vinyl plank flooring in the French oak shade Marinas. We started the installation process by taping spacers to the walls next to the floor. Then we laid out our first row of boards and connected them end to end. We took our time with this first row to make sure the connections were even and that the entire row of planks was level. Each plank clicked into place by anchoring the tongue of the board into the groove of the preceding board at a 45-degree angle before locking it into place. Boards can be easily cut to size by scoring the top of the plank with a utility knife several times and then snapping the board apart with your hands. As we laid the planks, we made sure to stagger the seams of the boards. We also alternated boards from different boxes, so any color variances were distributed throughout the floor for a more natural look. Each board is 5 feet long and over 9 inches wide and looks just like French oak. The embossed hardwood surface is smooth to the touch, but has a beautiful wood grain texture. And the back of each plank is covered with an attached underlayment that keeps these durable planks quiet and comfortable when you walk on them. The superior drop lock system gave us a seamless floor as we added each plank one by one. This floor is gorgeous. Malibu flooring captures the essence of a genuine wood floor while avoiding the artificial flatness seen in other vinyl options. The low shine gloss adds just the right touch of brilliance, enhancing the wood grain texture that mimics the beauty of authentic French oak. But it's not just about looks. This floor is extremely durable and completely waterproof, combining both style and function effortlessly. We loved it so much that we installed it in our family TV room as well. The previous laminate flooring was shiny, unnatural, and had an orange tint to it. We were able to lay the new Malibu wide planks directly over the old floor. The timeless color and soft browns in our new floors have the natural look of hardwood, but are also durable and so comfortable to walk on. We couldn't be happier with the new look in both our bedroom and TV room. Beautiful to look at and soft to walk on. Walking barefoot is going to be a treat. Our new Malibu wide plank floors beautifully withstand daily life and have transformed these rooms with timeless natural beauty. Thanks to Malibu Wide Plank for sponsoring this video.